She's videotaping and we're all like,
We're talking about fuzzy navels.
getting drunk and puking. Happy 4th of July! Woo!
Meanwhile, they're breaking an ordinance right there.
But they have a more
No, they
reinforced.
have a bigger portion. I know they Before Stephanie, she's like, I just try to be funny sometimes. And nobody understands me. Nobody gets
And they just tell me I'm wrong.
They're like, no, it's not.
I know. Oh, we have quite the awesome household, I think. I think we do alright. We don't suck. She's alright.
Those aren't even
That's not even what's that's just fake.
What?
That's what's on the phone.
Ew. That one looks like
Huh?
that one looks like Christmas. It was red and green.
That one looks like Christmas.
That's what in my head Christmas looks like.
Red and green fireworks exploding all over the sky.
Splurting. Oh.
I
Well,
said exploding.
Oh.
You're the one that's exploding, you. So boom.
Literally.
Do the thing.